Hello guys, welcome to Solid. Now shall see Java web application by enabling digest model authentication, which is a declarative approach or security way of application level security in Security Realm of Tomcat Server. First of all, we need to define or add so let us see the one by one steps. So step one, we need to define or add the users in Security Realm of Tomcat users tomcat-users.xml file. So to add those users, passwords and their roles in myrealm of Tomcat server, we need to write the following entries in Tomcat-home conf folder of tomcat-users.xml file under tomcat-users tag. So guys, let us scroll down. So Tomcat 6.0. So already I installed Tomcat 6.0, but I'm not in sure with Tomcat. It is available in CSMSS and Apache Software Foundation. So let me go to iDrive, I, Apache Software Foundation. You can see here conf, where I'm not Tomcat 6. You can see here Tomcat 6. Okay, fine. So under Apache Software Foundation, you can see here Tomcat 6. Okay, under this you'll find conf, and under this you'll need to write these roles. Open with edit plus. So now I added these roles. Just now I added these roles. Earlier it was not available. Just I added. So guys, so control Z, you can add these roles. So first role is manager, second role is clerk, third role is admin. Next is, after adding the roles, you can add the users with their usernames and passwords and roles. So username is Shruti, password is Shruti, whose role is manager. Username is Mauli, password is Mauli. Username is Yogesh, but their role is clerk and manager. And some other roles like manager, admin. Manager already is there, not required 2 times. So let me skip. Admin is already there, not required 1 more time. So skip. Okay guys, so you can see here role manager, clerk. So let me have the backup of those roles. Okay, fine. So let me write here, and so I can mention here control V. Fine. So admin, clerk, admin. So this is about Tomcat 6. If I go for Tomcat 7, so close the tag of tomcat-users. If I go for Tomcat 7, so earlier time it was not available, just now added, it was blank. Otherwise you can refer the previous tutorials. So last time it was not available, so so let me delete, control X. So by default when you open the Tomcat 7, so where is my Tomcat 7? So I am in Tomcat 7 guys. So you can see here Apache Software Tomcat 7. So Tomcat 7.0, you can see a Tomcat 7.0. Okay, fine. So under this you'll find Tomcat conf. Open Tomcat. So open Tomcat, so you'll get this file. So right click, open with edit plus, you'll get this file. Scroll down and you'll get this file. So under this you'll find the roles. You need to add those roles here. So simply I have pasted those roles, and you can see here the roles like manager GUI, manager script, manager GMX, then status, admin GUI, admin scripts. So I have added here Shruti, Mauli and Yogesh. Shruti and Mauli has manager and admin roles, whereas Yogesh has both the roles, manager GUI and admin GUI. So user, boss. So the other 4 roles has been applied, but don't keep any space here. Don't keep any space. If you keep space, you will get the error. So don't keep any space guys. So here I configured. So let's go to next step. Scroll down. So don't keep any space between roles. Okay, fine. In Security Realm, the username and passwords and role must be added manually. That's why we have copied and pasted. We cannot add them dynamically. So let us develop the Java web application having the web resource programs and enable the basic, not basic model. Last time we worked with basic model. Let's enable now digest model of security on web resource program declaratively, because it's a declarative approach of security of application security in web.xml file. So let's create the application name 70 digest. So copy. So I'm going to use same. Not I'm going to use anything great here. So already added here. Let me change here. Let me change from basic to security. That's it. I need this only. I need this little bit change. So let me add new file, new project, Java web, next. So let me paste here 70 Direct Security app, hit the next. But here I'm going to use Java W5U, and here is Tomcat, hit the next and hit the finish. That's it. Okay guys, so if you go to web page, I don't need this index.jsp, so right click, delete. Yes, deleted. Fine guys. So here you'll find web.xml. What should I do? Just I need to add first SRV. So let me use this first SRV, copy. This is basic model. So let me add into my daily security, because if you go to here, you'll find first SRV. So right click here, new, Servlet, first SRV, new, Servlet. So first SRV, hit the next, and let me use the URL, that is SRV1, SRV1, hit the finish. Okay guys, so this is your first SRV. Fine. Delete, remove the comments, so I don't need anything to upgrade. So fine, either you use the request post or get method. Anyhow, I'm going to write the code in process request method. So guys, okay guys, so let me go to my, this here also first SRV. So I will use this code as it is. So from body to body, from body to body, I'll keep here from body to body, that's it. This body to this body, I'll paste here, pasted now. Okay guys, so control Z, you can find here. So not enabling basic model, I'll go here digest model authentication. Okay, application level security, or you can call here. Fine guys, so and h1 tag, so I'll use your h2 tag, that's it. Fine. And next go to web.xml file. Under this web.xml file, I'm gonna to copy, I don't need index.jsp, we have removed index.jsp here. I don't need session also, so deleted. So I want this approach, so let me use this as it is, SRV1 up to here. Okay, fine. So guys, go to web.xml file and paste. Okay guys, so security realm constraint, security constraint. So if I scroll up, home, so this is your first SRV1, security constraint, web resource collection. Then this can be any name guys, so let me add here authentication, this can be any name. So I added some note point here, authentication. So here authentication can be any name. Here we can use any name instead of authentication. Okay, in web-resource tag. Okay guys, fine. So let me add here *0. Okay, and here also let me add *0. Copy. Sorry, God. This is star 0. Let me add here also star 0. Digest model, let me go to basic model, and here also let me add star 0. Okay, fine. And here also star 0. Okay guys, so this is about basic model. So last time we learned about basic model. I forget to give the node point, so here I added node point. So this is about basic model. In the basic model, we deal with the same application, but I forget to add a node point here, authentication. Okay, and here is authentication, same. Here is 0. Okay, fine. So let me go to my node point. Okay guys, so authentication, fine. So this is the SRV1. So this SRV1 is the URL pattern. Here you can use get or post method, no matter. You can use get or post method, guys. Fine. So here I want to use post method. Fine. So you can use get method or post method. Fine. And here role is admin GUI. Admin. So admin, you can use admin GUI or manager GUI. So you can see here I want to enable the, so this time I want to enable for admin GUI. So admin GUI, copy. Okay, fine. Only admin GUI can able to log in. Who are the admin GUI? One is Mauli and one is Yogesh, because Yogesh has both roles, manager GUI and admin GUI, as well as boss can also able to log in. Fine. I want to enable here. So that's what, let me change here manager GUI to admin GUI. Control V, admin GUI means only admin GUI roles can able to log in, can able to give the request. So instead of your basic model, you can change to digest model. Okay guys, fine. So digest model, and this is the default realm name of any server. Myrealm is the default realm name of any server, guys. Okay, fine. So here are the node points. So guys, let me, admin GUI is here. Let me go to my node points, and I want to let it enable for Mauli and Yogesh and boss only. So go to security. So guys, here same, first SRV1. Authentication, it can be any name. This authentication name can be any name. This is the URL pattern. So I want to enable for first SRV. You can add multiple URLs here. You can add here multiple URLs. So last time we added here post, right? Fine. So we can use get or post. Fine. So here instead of manager GUI, here I added admin GUI. Only admin GUI can able to log in. If you want to work with manager GUI, you can add here manager GUI also. Okay, manager GUI if you want to add multiple roles, but here should not be any space. Don't give any space here. Okay, fine. For timing, I am skipping this part. And fine guys, so login. So digest model, last time we learned about basic, now it's digest model, and default realm name. Fine, login config and web app. So it can be any name instead of authentication. So here you can configure multiple URL patterns of multiple web browsers program. Here we can place multiple URL pattern tags to enable the security on multiple servlets. Okay, fine. So you can go for here. So in this case, it enables only post based on method request, or you can go for get also. You can go for get also if you wish. So this indicates allows only those users give the request servlet whose URL is not manager. Here I want to enable for admin GUI. Okay, even you can place multiple roles. So manager GUI, like admin -GUI, like this. Okay, fine, but these are separated by comma and no space is required. Don't give any space. If you give the space, you will get an error. So star 4 means here digest model. You can go for basic model or digest model. It's an authentication model, and myrealm is the default realm name of any server, guys. Fine. So it's a time to run the applications, run and test the application. If so here we need to work with login dialog box. Okay, fine. So let's run the application now. Digest model, admin GUI. So right click, run. So just focus on the roles. What are the roles you have mentioned here? Let me go to tomcat-users. We are enabled for admin GUI. Keep in mind. So you can able to log in by using Mauli, Yogesh, and Boss, but you are not allowed to log in by using Shruti. Okay, fine. So let me try with Mauli first. So Mauli, let me copy Mauli, copy, and go here. So SRV1. Username is null, and authentication type is null. How come it's not working? Let me try with digest model is not working. Let me check here. Here also not working. Java web application by enabling digest model authentication declarative security way. Digest model username is null, and directly it's not working. Let me try with Internet Explorer. SRV1. What the hell is this? So guys, it's null and null. One page successfully displayed. Done. Danish model authentication, declarative security way of application level security. Let me try with old approach. So guys, let me work with manager GUI. So guys, let me go to my Tomcat. So instead of admin GUI, so let me work with manager GUI. Save it. Saved. Instead of post, let me try with get. Here is get now, and here I try with manager GUI. Okay, fine. And yes, now it's working, guys. Now it's working. So guys, what is the role I mentioned here? What are the changes? What I made changes here? So manager GUI, right? Manager GUI and get best. So manager GUI post based will not work, right? Because directly URL I entered. So guys, don't give the post for trying this application. So let me correct this note point. So scroll up, don't give the post, better to go for get. So here also get. Okay, fine. So get paste because directly URL you are trying to use by using URL, right? I give directly URL. So URL role may be anything. It's not mandatory. It's not compulsory like this. So let me change the roles. So here I want to go with admin UI, admin GUI, admin GUI. Fine. Admin GUI and with get method. Okay, fine. Keep as it is admin GUI. So guys, admin GUI only. Oh, did I change here? Admin GUI. And here also admin GUI. Fine. Admin GUI only. And here is get. Okay, fine. So who is admin GUI? Mauli is admin GUI. So let me use this admin GUI, copy, let me reload. So Mauli and Mauli, sign in. So I should see. So here you can see here guys, username is Mauli and authentication type is digest, because here if you enter the URL from your browser and if you use the request to get, but if you enter the URL from the browser and if you hit enter, that request will be of type get method, HTTP get method based request. Okay, so this will not hit as a post. So last time because of that reason, last time we faced null and null, null and null, but now I made get and directly I hit the URL. Now I can see here username and digest. So authentication type is digest guys. So let me try with same. So last time I made here directly I enter, right? So it was post method, and post method does not work directly by using URL. So you need to use by using form. Now it is working now. So this time I don't want to work with Mauli. I want to try with the somewhat like Shruti. Okay, Shruti. So copy and paste, hit OK. What the hell? Forbidden. Why forbidden? Because Shruti role is not admin GUI. Its role is manager GUI. And in our web application we have configured admin GUI, right? Admin GUI. So because of that reason, you can see here forbidden. You can see here forbidden guys. So let me rerun the application. So close and rerun the application. Now I'll try by using Yogesh. Okay, fine. So you can see here I'm trying to enter by using Yogesh, because Yogesh has both roles. One is manager GUI, one is admin GUI. So hit OK. So you can see here Yogesh, and authentication type is digest. Authentication type is digest guys. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. So you can try by using boss also. Boss. So where is my here? Now let me try with this. So boss and boss, hit OK. You can see here username is boss and authentication type is digest. Okay guys, so this is the way that you can able to work with the digest model based authentication in Tomcat Security Realm. Okay, was fine. So this works in all the way. But if you try to give by using Shruti and Shruti, this will here you will get forbidden. Here you will get forbidden. So just have the look on the web.xml file. So solid and security constraints. Okay, fine. So this name can be anything. So if you use post, then you need to use form based request. You need to use form based request, and their method type must be of type post. Okay, directly you cannot enter the URL. Directly you cannot enter the URL, and here you can use admin GUI any URL, and authentication type is digest. Realm name is default realm name. Okay, boss. Thank you. But let me use this URL for your reference sake. So scroll down. Run and test the application. So okay guys, so fine boss. Better to work with get. Post means actually why post? Because when to work with post, whenever you give the request, when the user gives the request from the web form, from the form, and its method type is post, at that time this will work. Otherwise this will not work by the direct URL from the browser window. Okay, fine. So here I made basic. You can go by using digest also. You can go by using instead of basics. So initially we hit the URL. So let me change here, open with the paint, and here I can change initial request. Okay, fine. In this way, somewhat initial request, and change color to here. and instead of basic diaries to basic. Okay guys, so this is for basics. Similarly you can go for digest also. So simply change here digest and here is digest. Okay guys, fine guys, so this is the example application. Now we shall see Java based Java web application form based authentications. So here Tomcat Security Realm. Tomcat Security Realm. Okay guys, so again same stuffs but some minor changes. Okay guys, fine.